Dogs did not evolve to understand human words first, they evolved to understand human emotions. And this changes everything about how we should interact with them. Because while humans focus on commands, explanations, and rules, dogs are constantly reading tone, posture, breathing, rhythm, and emotional consistency, and science strongly supports this idea. Researchers from the University of Vienna demonstrated that dogs can reliably distinguish between happy and angry human faces, even when those faces belong to strangers, which means your dog is not reacting randomly, but interpreting emotional signals with impressive accuracy. And this skill did not appear by accident. It was shaped over thousands of years of coevolution, where dogs that understood human emotional states were more likely to survive, stay close, and thrive alongside people. And another study from the University of Lincoln showed that dogs respond more strongly to emotional tone than to spoken words, meaning that saying everything is fine while feeling stressed sends a conflicting message that dogs immediately detect. And this explains why so many behavior problems are actually emotional miscommunications rather than disobedience, because dogs follow emotional leadership, not verbal authority. And when humans are anxious, inconsistent, or overwhelmed, dogs often mirror that state through restlessness, vocalization, or destructive behavior. And this connection becomes even clearer when we look at separation anxiety research published in Applied Animal Behavior Science, which found that approximately 35% of dogs show measurable signs of stress when separated from their owners, especially when departures are rushed, emotionally charged, or unpredictable. And this reveals something important: dogs are not just reacting to absence, they are reacting to emotional context, and neuroscience adds another layer to this understanding. Researchers led by Takefumi Kikusui in Japan discovered that mutual eye contact between dogs and their owners increases oxytocin levels in both, creating a bonding feedback loop similar to that seen between parents and infants, which means calm presence and emotional regulation directly influence your dog's brain chemistry. And this is why modern behavioral science has moved away from dominance-based models, because fear and control disrupt emotional stability, while predictability, calmness, and clarity promote learning and trust. And when dogs seem stubborn or unresponsive, it is often a sign of emotional overload, not defiance. And reframing everyday interactions like walks, feeding, and play as emotional exchanges rather than routines changes how dogs respond, because subtle signals like relaxed shoulders, slower breathing, and consistent energy communicate safety faster than commands ever could. And what makes dogs unique among animals is that they evolved specifically to live within human social systems, becoming exceptionally skilled at reading our faces, voices, and emotional patterns, even more so than our closest primate relatives. And this ability is universal across breeds, cultures, and lifestyles because it is biologically ingrained, not trained. And once you understand this, the relationship shifts from control to connection, from correction to communication. And behavior improves not through force, but through alignment, because dogs do not just listen to us, they feel us and respond accordingly.